Hello everyone. Today I will guide you on how to create an extremely handy WinPE Bootable USB. I will be using Sergey Strelec, which is a fairly famous and safe WinPE suite. There are quite a few download links. Please choose one to download the file. To access the website, you just need to search for Sergey Strelec in your browser and it will appear. I have just finished downloading the file. Now I will open it and extract it. The extraction password can be found on the Sergey Strelec website. Next, I will use Rufus to create the WinPE Bootable USB. Select the ISO file you just extracted and ensure Rufus has correctly identified your USB drive. You can set it to GPT or MBR as you wish. I usually prefer setting it to MBR. Press Start to create the USB. Note that all data on your USB will be lost, so please back it up beforehand. So, I have successfully created the bootable USB using Rufus. Next, I will restart the computer and have it boot from the USB. I will select the USB entry to boot. I will select the WinPE 11 version. I have successfully entered. The interface is quite minimalist and easy to use. I will check to see what tools are available in here. This is an OS backup tool. This is a tool for hard drives, partitions, and related tasks. Tool for checking hardware health. Tool for installing Windows. Ethernet and Wi-Fi tool. There are also many other convenient tools that will help you a lot with installing Windows, fixing Windows errors, repairing software issues, and more. I find it absolutely wonderful that with just a single USB containing this WinPE suite, you can rest assured knowing you always have the tools on hand whenever your computer encounters issues. It is also suitable for many computer rescue tasks, freelance Windows installation, or checking for hardware failures in a customer's computer. For me personally, as my work involves repairing many customers' computers, this WinPE suite has helped me save a lot of time in diagnosing issues as well as installing Windows easily. A rescue suite containing everything you need. I would rate it 9.5 out of 10. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.